Hello guys again. So this will be about repairing the pull rope on the EU 2000i, after some use, before it breaks completely. So this is an easy fix. As you can see, the pull rope is actually breaking right here when it enters into the engine, and I guess it's from shaking when it's running. And this has more than 500 hours on this generator, so this thing starts breaking down a little bit. So the easy fix, or fix, let's say fix, is pretty much let's get a little more room here, and let's get both hands too. See, it has kind of a lot of slack before it actually engaged into the engine. So since it's breaking right here, I just got an idea. And this is more than 500 hours, so if I, and this is a bitch to open too, tell you. If I just make this string a little bit shorter, yeah. Time to sharpen my knife too. Okay. If I just make this string a little bit shorter, it will engage in different position, or different, very much different place. I hope this is good enough. And it will start wearing out pretty much in somewhere else, a little bit farther down. And hopefully, oops, sorry, I hope my knee is not in the way too much. It might be. And hopefully, this thing here will last a little bit longer. Okay. So now the blade is a little bit shorter. This seems to be still in a good shape. I mean, strong shape, let's put it that way. And as you can see, that kind of worn out part is right here. And the healthy piece of rope is coming into the engine, and it will start wearing out in a different spot, and hopefully it's good for another 500 hours. Okay, just an easy solution if that thing is not completely broken yet. Good luck.